Utilizing advanced generation stainless steel machines, we process fresh milk into premium butter, cheese, and yogurt, all within this state-of-the-art facility.
All right, everyone, let's keep this organized line moving smoothly. Easy now.
Ensure the udder wash is set to gentle cycle. Already done, Supervisor. Everything is running smoothly. Ensure the udder wash is set to gentle cycle. Already done, Supervisor. Everything is running smoothly.
Advanced digital analyzers ensure the purity and quality of every batch before it leaves the creamery.
Purity levels are stable across the board.
Confirmed. Flow rate is optimal.
The texture on this batch is perfect. Agreed, the gloss is exceptional.
This wheel feels ready for the next stage.
Agreed, the aroma is perfect. Ensure the labels are perfectly aligned. Yes, checking the next batch now.
Check the viscosity on the digital reader.
Reading at 4.2, right where we want it. Ensure the temperature is stable before sealing the crate. Confirmed. Moving to the next pallet now. Ensure the pallet is secure before release. Confirmed. Alignment is perfect. Pallet 34B is ready for the Brahman truck. Keep the yogurt coming on line 2. Ensure the cheese pallets are secured before the next rotation. We must maintain the cold chain integrity.
3号线的货物已装装完毕，请松弛死机，可以出发。好的，马上督方。